Imagine waking up in a penthouse overlooking the city skyline. No alarm clock, no boss, no 9-to-5 grind. Just freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that the key to this life is right in front of you? It's not some secret, not a lottery ticket, and definitely not a scam. It's something that the wealthy have used for generations. It's the stock market. But here's the problem. Most people are either too scared to start or completely overwhelmed by all the complicated jargon. Stocks, dividends, ETFs, market caps. It all sounds like another language. I get it. I've been there. But today, we're breaking it all down, step by step, in a way that actually makes sense. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the stock market. You'll know exactly how to get started, how to invest smart, and most importantly, how to make money. Let's start with the biggest myth. The stock market is only for rich people. That couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, most millionaires today started with almost nothing. They didn't have trust funds or Wall Street connections. They simply understood one fundamental rule. Money should work for you, not the other way around. If your money is just sitting in a savings account, it's losing value every day due to inflation. But if it's invested wisely, it grows, even while you sleep. So, how do you actually start? Step 1. Understand what a stock is. A stock is simply a piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stock increases. If it doesn't, your investment can lose value. But here's where things get interesting. Over the long run, the stock market has always gone up. Even with crashes, recessions, and economic downturns, the market has historically recovered and reached new highs. That's why the wealthiest investors think long-term. Step 2. Choose a brokerage account. Think of this as your gateway to the stock market. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab allow you to buy and sell stocks with just a few taps on your phone. Opening an account takes minutes, and most platforms don't require a minimum deposit to get started. Step 3. Start small, but start now. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect time to invest. There is no perfect time. The best investors know that time in the market beats timing the market. Even if you only have $50, start with that. Consider investing in index funds like the S&P 500. Instead of picking individual stocks, which can be risky, index funds spread your investment across hundreds of companies, lowering your risk while still growing your money over time. Step 4. Reinvest your profits. Most people cash out as soon as they see a profit, but that's not how wealth is built. The secret is compounding. When your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money, it creates exponential growth. This is how small investments turn into massive wealth over time. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if I lose money? The truth is, every investor experiences losses. Even the greatest investors in history, Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, Peter Lynch, have lost money at some point. The difference? They don't panic. They understand that short-term losses are just part of the game. If you focus on the long term, history is on your side. Here's the reality. The stock market isn't just for Wall Street elites. It's for anyone who wants to build wealth, escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and take control of their financial future. The question is, will you take action? Because every day you wait, you're losing potential gains. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing financial content, and share this with anyone who needs to hear it. Your future self.